what's life made of, and what are we, and what is nature, and all of those wild, curious questions that I have as an artist. Hi, I'm Gail Hodgson. I'm an artist and designer. I've been really inspired by cymatics and quantum physics for quite a few years. It became part of my self-inquiry, looking into, well, what's life made of, and what are we, and what is nature, and all of those wild, curious questions that I have as an artist. So cymatics is amazing because cymatics is the study of sound vibration. What you'll see is sound made visible, and what the experiments that they've been doing in photographing with these instruments that they have called tonoscopes, which are basically like a bowl of water kind of a thing, and that the sound is being pumped into the bowl of water, and then a camera is on top to take a picture of what patterns appear. And it's astounding, the patterns that appear. So what I see when I look at some of these images are, it's obvious that, for example, you can see the pattern of a tortoise shell, the similar pattern that shows up, and the same as like a sunflower, the geometric shapes and stuff of flower faces and snowflake photos, and I mean it's kind of all starts to repeat itself in geometric patterns, and the beauty in that. And those are kind of the building blocks of life, so that's amazing. And so with quantum physics too, even the concept that we're all made of water, and then what I've looked at with quantum physics, which I'm not a quantum physicist or don't even understand it that well, but I understand it enough that when it gets put together with my imagination, I really just feel profoundly inspired. And I want to share, that's kind of like my voice, like, what are we made of and what is life? Quantum physics talks all about, if you look through a microscope, say at a cell, and then you look deeper, and then there's, atoms and nucleus. Then you look deeper with their electron microscopes, and now they're looking at electrons. And at some point, it's just space. So I'm like, well, what is that? And it's so profound to me. I just love it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today.